Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Tech Tips. Hardware and networking interview questions with answers. Name of 7 layers in Open System Interconnection Model. They are application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, and physical. What is the difference between ARP and RARP? The Address Resolution Protocol is used to associate the 32-bit IP address with the 48-bit physical address, used by a host or a router to find the physical address of another host on its network by sending a ARP URI packet that includes the IP address of the receiver. The Reverse Address Resolution Protocol, RARP, allows a host to discover its internet address when it knows only its physical address. What is client and server? Clients and servers are separate logical entities that work together over a network to accomplish a task. Many systems with very different architectures that are connected together are also called client and server. What is MAC address? It is the 48-bit hardware address of LAN card. MAC address is usually stored in ROM on the network adapter card and it is unique. What are the prerequisites to configure server? LAN card should be connected. Root, partition on which window is installed, should in NTFS. Server should be configured with a static IP address. How we will configure ADS? Click Start, then go Run and type DC promo. How will you test LAN card? Ping 127.0.0.1. If getting reply it's fine. What are the difference between domain and workgroup? Workgroup. Every PC is responsible for its security own. No centralized administration. Main aim to save hardware recourse. Best suite in school, training institute, cyber cafe. Domain. Server is responsible for data safety. Centralized administration. Main aim is to secure data. Best suite in company environments. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel Tech Tips. Which command is used to check the IP address of your system? ipconfig. Which set wizard will run to do peer-to-peer networking in XP? Small home and office setup wizard. Which command is used to check the physical connectivity between two computers? Ping. What is map drive? A special feature that will map network resource to my computer. What is proxy server? Most large businesses, organizations, and universities these days use a proxy server. This is a server that all computers on the local network have to go through before accessing information on the internet. By using a proxy server, an organization can improve the network performance and filter what users connected to the network can access. Which folder contains ADS installed on server? NTDS. What is the full form of Internet? International networking. In which partition Linux is installed? Linux doesn't support Windows file system that contain partition scheme. It has its own file system known as ext2 and ext3. It will install only on it. In Linux file system it will install on root partition. What is size of swap? It's the hard disk space that is used as RAM for fast processing. In Windows it's known as virtual memory and could be set as per retirement via this path. My computer's properties advance. In Linux it's known as swap space and generally taken the double size of physical RAM. For example, if you have 256 MB DDR physical RAM, then swap space would be 512 MB. What is full form of CMOS? Complementary metal oxide semiconductor. How will you check IP address without using network place? Start program, run and type command ipconfig. What is IP? Internet Protocol is an unreliable, best effort delivery, connectionless protocol used for transmitting and receiving data between hosts in a TCP/IP network. What are the difference between hub and switch? Hub is a layer 1 device. It will out the signal from all of its port except the one from where it's insert. It is unable to detect the collision. It works on single collision and single broadcast domain. Switch is layer 2 device. It maintains a CAM table that store the MAC address of devices attached on its port. CAM table is used to make the forwarding decision. It works on per port collision and single broadcast domain. What is layer? Layer is a completely logical partition of protocol data unit process that define how the information is travel from one computer to other over the network. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel Tech Tips. What is TCP/IP? It is combination of two protocols TCP and IP. It is used for reliable data transfer. What is operating system? An operating system is the program that, after being initially loaded into the computer by a boot program, manages all the other programs in a computer. It provides a platform to application software. What is package software? The collection of mostly used software released in package form company. For example, MS Office that contain Word, PowerPoint, Excel, etc. What is ring topology? In a ring topology, device 1 connects to device 2, device 2 connects to device 3, and so on to the last device, which connects back to device 1. Which cable is used in LAN? Generally coaxial and TP media is used in LAN networking. What are difference between STP and UTP? STP cable is mostly used by IBM, it has an extra cover over each pair. UTP cable is used in star topology. It has a single cover over all pair. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel Tech Tips. Full form of ping. Ping stand for Packet Internet Grouper. What are 10-base-2, 10-base-5 and 10-base-T Ethernet LANs? 10-base-2 an Ethernet term meaning a maximum transfer rate of 10 megabits per second that uses baseband signaling with a contiguous cable segment length of 100 meters and a maximum of 2 segments. 10-base-5 an Ethernet term meaning a maximum transfer rate of 10 megabits per second that uses baseband signaling with 5 continuous segments not exceeding 100 meters per segment. 10-base-T an Ethernet term meaning a maximum transfer rate of 10 megabits per second that uses baseband signaling and twisted pair cabling. What is the difference between an unspecified passive open and a fully specified passive open? An unspecified passive open has the server waiting for a connection request from a client. A fully specified passive open has the server waiting for a connection from a specific client. Explain the function of transmission control block. A transmission control block is a complex data structure that contains a considerable amount of information about each connection. What is a management information base? A management information base is part of every SNMP managed device. Each SNMP agent has the management information base database that contains information about the device's status, its performance, connections, and configuration. The management information base is queried by SNMP. What is anonymous FTP and why would you use it? Anonymous FTP enables users to connect to a host without using a valid login and password. Usually, anonymous FTP uses a login called anonymous or guest, with the password usually requesting the user's ID for tracking purposes only. Anonymous FTP is used to enable a large number of users to access files on the host without having to go to the trouble of setting up logins for them all. Anonymous FTP systems usually have strict controls over the areas an anonymous user can access. What is a pseudo TTY? A pseudo TTY or false terminal enables external machines to connect through Telnet or relogin. Without a pseudo TTY, no connection can take place. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel Tech Tips. What does the mount protocol do? The mount protocol returns a file handle and the name of the file system in which a requested file resides. The message is sent to the client from the server after reception of a client's request. What is external data representation? External data representation is a method of encoding data within an RPC message, used to ensure that the data is not system dependent. When were OSI model developed and why its standard called 802? And so on? OSI model was developed in February 1980. That why these also known as 802. Standard 80 means 1980, 2 means February. What is full form of ADS? Active Directory Structure. Where do we use cross and standard cable? Computer to computer we use cross cable. Switch hub to switch hub we use cross cable. Computer to switch hub we use standard cable. How many pins do serial ports have? In computer it's known as COM port and could be available in 9 pin or 25 pin. On router it have 60 pins. What is IP? It's a unique 32-bit software address of a node in a network. What is private IP? 3 ranges of IP addresses have been reserved for private address and they are not valid for use on the Internet. If you want to access Internet with these address you must have to use proxy server or NAT server. What is public IP address? A public IP address is an address leased from an ISP that allows or enables direct Internet communication. What are the LM hosts files? The LM hosts file is a static method of resolving NetBIOS names to IP addresses in the same way that the hosts file is a static method of resolving domain names into IP addresses. An LM hosts file is a text file that maps NetBIOS names to IP addresses. It must be manually configured and updated. What is DHCP scope? A scope is a range, or pool, of IP addresses that can be leased to DHCP clients on a given subnet. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel Tech Tips. What is FQDN? An FQDN contains, fully qualified domain name, both the host name and a domain name. It uniquely identifies a host within a DNS hierarchy. What is the DNS forwarder? DNS servers often must communicate with DNS servers outside of the local network. A forwarder is an entry that is used when a DNS server receives DNS queries that it cannot resolve locally. It then forwards those requests to external DNS servers for resolution. Which command will you use to find out the name of the PC in networks? NS lookup IP of target computer. What is FTP? FTP is short for File Transfer Protocol. This is the protocol used for file transfer over the Internet. What if this Vizard ADS is not running? Check the network cable, it should be plugged. Check root partition, it should be in NTFS. Check IP of server, it should be configured statically. ISO stand for? International Standard Organization. OSI stand for? Open System Interconnection. What is full form DHCP? Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. What is difference between physical and logical topology? Physical topology describes how devices are physically cabled together. Logical topology describes how devices communicate across the physical topology. How many types of topology are available? Point-to-point topology has a single connection between two devices. In a star topology, a central device has many point-to-point connections to other devices. Bus topology uses a single connection or wire to connect all devices. In a ring topology, device 1 connects to device 2, device 2 connects to device 3, and so on to the last device, which connects back to device 1. Why do we do networking? For data sharing. To accumulate hardware resource. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel Tech Tips. What are the benefits of networking? There are lots of advantages from build up a network, but the three big facts are: file sharing. From sharing files you can view, modify, and copy files stored on a different computer on the network just as easily as if they were stored on your computer. Resource sharing. Resources such as printers, fax machines, storage devices, webcam, scanners, modem, and many more devices can be shared. Program sharing. Just as you can share files on a network, you can often also share program on a network. For example, if you have the right type of software license, you can have a shared copy of Microsoft Office, or some other program, and keep it on the network server, from where it is also run. What is network? A network is basically all of the components, hardware and software, involved in connecting computers across small and large distances. What is networking? A process that describes how the network will connect. What is topology? A topology defines how the devices are connected. Further, it is divided in physical and logical topology. Which OSI layer does IP belong? IP belongs to the network layer in the OSI model. What is a subnet mask? Subnet mask is a 4-byte number used to identify the subnetwork ID and the host ID from an IP address. All the hosts in a subnetwork will have the same subnet mask. We've installed a new Windows-based DHCP server, however, the users do not seem to be getting DHCP leases off of it. The server must be authorized first with the Active Directory. What's the difference between local, global, and universal groups? Domain local groups assign access permissions to domain groups for local domain resources. Global groups provide access to resources in entire domains. What's the major difference between FAT and NTFS on a local machine? FAT and FAT32 provide no security over locally logged on users. Only native NTFS provides extensive permission control on both remote and local files. What is presentation layer and how it is responsible for in the OSI model? The presentation layer establishes the data format prior to passing it along to the network applications interface. TCP/IP networks perform this task at the application layer. What is OSPF? It is an internet routing protocol that scales well, can route traffic along multiple paths, and uses knowledge of an internet's topology to make accurate routing decisions. What is Kerberos? It is an authentication service developed at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Kerberos uses encryption to prevent intruders from discovering passwords and gaining unauthorized access to files. What is a multi-homed host? It is a host that has multiple network interfaces and that requires multiple IP addresses is called as a multi-homed host. What is NVT, Network Virtual Terminal? It is a set of rules defining a very simple virtual terminal interaction. The NVT is used in the start of a telnet session. What is gateway-to-gateway protocol? It is a protocol formerly used to exchange routing information between Internet core routers. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel Tech Tips. What is BGP, Border Gateway Protocol? It is a protocol used to advertise the set of networks that can be reached within an autonomous system. BGP enables this information to be shared with the autonomous system. This is newer than EGP, Exterior Gateway Protocol. What is autonomous system? It is a collection of routers under the control of a single administrative authority and that uses a common interior gateway protocol. What is EGP, Exterior Gateway Protocol? EGP is the protocol the routers in neighboring autonomous systems use to identify the set of networks that can be reached within or via each autonomous system. What is IGP, Interior Gateway Protocol? It is any routing protocol used within an autonomous system. What is Mail Gateway? It is a system that performs a protocol translation between different electronic mail delivery protocols. What is Wide-Mouth Frog? Wide-Mouth Frog is the simplest known key distribution center, KDC, authentication protocol. What is Silly Window Syndrome? It is a problem that can ruin TCP performance. This problem occurs when data are passed to the sending TCP entity in large blocks, but an interactive application on the receiving side reads 1 byte at a time. What is region? When hierarchical routing is used, the routers are divided into what we call regions, with each router knowing all the details about how to route packets to destinations within its own region, but knowing nothing about the internal structure of other regions. What is multicast routing? Sending a message to a group is called multicasting, and its routing algorithm is called multicast routing. What is traffic shaping? One of the main causes of congestion is that traffic is often busy. If hosts could be made to transmit at a uniform rate, congestion would be less common. Another open-loop method to help manage congestion is forcing the packet to be transmitted at a more predictable rate. This is called traffic shaping. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel Tech Tips. What is packet filter? Packet filter is a standard router equipped with some extra functionality. The extra functionality allows every incoming or outgoing packet to be inspected. Packets meeting some criterion are forwarded normally. What is a DNS resource record? Resource record is an entry in a name server's database. There are several types of resource records used, including name-to-address resolution information. Resource records are maintained as American Standard Code for Information Interchange files. What protocol is used by DNS name servers? DNS uses UDP for communication between servers. It is a better choice than TCP because of the improved speed a connectionless protocol offers. Of course, transmission reliability suffers with UDP. What is the difference between interior and exterior neighbor gateways? Interior gateways connect LANs of one organization, whereas exterior gateways connect the organization to the outside world. What is the Hello protocol used for? The Hello protocol uses time instead of distance to determine optimal routing. It is an alternative to the Routing Information Protocol. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel Tech Tips. What are the 3 types of routing tables and what are the advantages and disadvantages of these? The 3 types of routing tables are fixed, dynamic, and fixed central. A fixed table must be manually modified every time there is a change. A dynamic table changes its information based on network traffic, reducing the amount of manual maintenance. A fixed central table lets a manager modify only one table, which is then read by other devices. The fixed central table reduces the need to update each machine's table, as with a fixed table. Usually a dynamic table causes the fewest problems for a network administrator, although the table's contents can change without the administrator being aware of the change. What is MAC address? The address for a device as it is identified at the media access control layer in the network architecture. MAC address is usually stored in ROM on the network adapter card and is unique. What is attenuation? The degeneration of a signal over distance on a network cable is called attenuation. What is cladding? A layer of a glass surrounding the center fiber of glass inside a fiber optic cable. What is RAID? A method for providing fault tolerance by using multiple hard disk drives. What is NetBIOS and NetBEUI? NetBIOS is a programming interface that allows I/O requests to be sent to and received from a remote computer, and it hides the networking hardware from applications. NetBEUI is NetBIOS Extended User Interface, a transport protocol designed by Microsoft and IBM for the use on small subnets. What is redirector? Redirector is software that intercept. What is beaconing? The process that allows a network to self-repair network's problems. The stations on the network notify the other stations on the ring when they are not receiving the transmissions. Beaconing is used in token ring and FDDI networks. What is terminal emulation, in which layer it comes? Telnet is also called as terminal emulation. It belongs to application layer. What is frame relay, in which layer it comes? Frame relay is a packet switching technology. It will operate in the data link layer. What is SAP? Series of interface points that allow other computers to communicate with the other layers of network protocol stack. What is subnet? A generic term for section of a large networks usually separated by a bridge or router. What is subnet mask? It is a term that makes distinguish between network address and host address in IP address. Subnet mask value 0 defines host partition in IP address, and value 1 to 255 defines network address. Describe various network type. Local area networks are used to connect networking devices that are in a very close geographic area, such as a floor of a building itself, or a campus environment. Wide area networks are used to connect LANs together. Typically, WANs are used when the LANs that must be connected are separated by a large distance. Metropolitan area networks is a hybrid between a LAN and a WAN. Content networks were developed to ease users' access to internet resources. Companies deploy basically two types of CNS. Caching downloaded internet information. Distributing internet traffic loads across multiple servers. Storage area networks provide a high-speed infrastructure to move data between storage devices and file servers. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel Tech Tips. Thanks for watching.